Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll be unboxing my Redmi Pad 2 Pro. This is a tablet which is still on sale in the UK, slightly older, it's from late 2025, but came bundled in a bundle offer with my lovely new Xiaomi 17T Pro, which I'm really quite enjoying. So let's see what the Redmi Pad 2 Pro is like, and let's just walk through it. So obviously there's some paper covering the outside of the box, but then when you get to the box itself, it has a nice illustration of what the Redmi Pad 2 Pro on the inside is like. And first things first, it is impressively large, if that's what the size is. Now, a little bit of branding here, it's not just Redmi Pad 2 Pro. At the bottom left we have a bit of branding that indicates that this is running Xiaomi's HyperOS operating system, and on the right side we have the Dolby Vision Atmos branding, which is the graphics engine and reproduction system that is quite popular in the industry. Bit of Xiaomi branding on one side, more specifications here. So we've got details about the 12.1 inch 2.5K crystal clear display, a 12,000 milliamp hour battery or a power unit, as well as a 4nm processor, which is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 1, and quad speakers. So that's a pretty good little spec sheet. And then on the other side we've got the usual Xiaomi wording with your favorite Google apps. Google is a trademark of Google LLC. This is an obvious dig at other Chinese brands such as Huawei, who can no longer use the Play Store and don't have the Google apps pre-installed. Great, so packaging is cardboard, but there is a little plastic strip here. I'm going to use my jerry rig everything knife to cut through it, and the same for the other side. I'll just use the knife to go through there. Seems simple enough. And then once that's done, I'll lift up the lid and we'll see what's inside. Now, more specs repeated, just to make sure you're fully aware of the fact that the Redmi Pad 2 Pro, let me get it back into the box. What I'm trying to do is get it into the box in there. There we go. And so we've got the 12.1 inch 2.5K crystal clear display, 12,000 milliamp hour battery, 4nm processor, and quad speakers for immersive stereo sound. Let's pull the device out of its box and see what else comes in the box. First panel has a charger cable. Now this is one of Xiaomi's orange cables, so it's USB-A to USB Type-C, as you can see. See what I did there? Ha ha ha. And it is one of Xiaomi's cables, which indicates this says L7, and on the other side it says it's a 3-amp cable. So you won't be able to use this cable to fast charge some phones and other devices because it is only a 3-amp cable. But luckily Xiaomi make it easy for you to understand what the amperage carried by the cable is, because it's a 3-amp cable. Let's see what else is in our box. So we've got one of those really annoying European stickers saying that it has a 103-hour battery endurance rating. It's A for drops, C for repairability, 1,000 charges for the charger, and it's an IP53 dust and water resistance device. And then here we have our warranty card, usual small print, and another bit about the quick start guide, which I'm not seeing many pictures in. Anything else in here? There is what looks like a SIM ejector tool. That's interesting. I was not aware that I needed a SIM ejector tool for a tablet. Let's see what's in here. So I'm going to take the paper cover off the device and just take this sticker off. There we go. And I'll put the packaging aside because there's nothing else of interest here. So, nice Redmi branding. In case you didn't know, Redmi is a sub-brand of Xiaomi. It usually indicates a slightly better value in terms of value for money in your tech, where if you see that Redmi logo. There's also a camera here on the back with a separate module for flash. It's, I would say, aesthetically very similar to a lot of smartphones, and your usual C branding at the back. Let's have a look at the device itself. So, interesting button setup here. At the top, here we go, at the top left of the display when holding it in landscape mode, there is a volume rocker there, and the power button is just off to the side here. So interesting setup there. There is obviously the quad speakers on the side, as well as that Dolby, well, let me see if I get the focus on my Sony camera, there we go, Dolby Vision Atmos branding on that side. So power button and two of the quad speakers on the device. The bottom side is empty, there's nothing there. And on the other side, we actually have something quite welcome. See this? This, kids, is a courage port. This is a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can plug in those old-timey earphones you have, or use the old-timey connector to connect to your stereo, if you know what one of those is. Speaking of stereo, another set of speakers here, left and right, of the USB-C and 3.5mm audio jack port. At the top, interestingly, there is here a couple of microphone holes, so it can handle video calls and record your voice. Let's see what's in this tray. Oh wow, that's a micro SD tray. I'm really surprised. I was not expecting that. So yeah, it's a TF or trans flash. That's also another name for micro SD. I'm really blown away. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro, has expandable storage, and that's what I thought was a SIM ejector tool that came with the tablet. So I'm over the moon. That's good news. Right, so there you go. Apart from a bit of documentation, a silly EU sticker, SIM ejector tool, and power cable, 3-amp charging cable, that is the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Pad 2 Pro. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. Or, if we get a good question in the next day or so, when we record our setup video for this tablet, we might answer your question in that video. So leave us a question or give me a hard time for how I did this unboxing of the Redmi Pad 2 Pro, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. But in the meantime, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.